Welcome to our channel! Today, we'll explore the power of multi-location inventory management within NetSuite. In a fast-paced business landscape, having control over your inventory across different locations is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Let's dive in. NetSuite offers a host of features that enable seamless multi-location inventory management. Let's begin with real-time inventory tracking. Know exactly what's in stock across every location, buy, overstock, and stockouts. Centralized control. Manage all your locations from one powerful dashboard for faster, smarter decisions. Automated order fulfillment. NetSuite optimizes order routing based on inventory, guaranteeing timely deliveries with zero fuss. Demand planning mastery. Predict inventory needs with advanced tools, keeping stock levels just right. No more excess or shortages. Data-driven insights. Analyze inventory trends and plan ahead. Like a pro with powerful reporting and analytics. Global ready. Seamlessly manage multi-location, multi-currency, and multi-language operations for smooth international success. We can now observe this in practice. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of using an intercompany transfer order to move inventory between subsidiary locations within your company. To enable features for inventory with multi-location management, go to Setup, Company, Enable Features. Now the Enable Features window displays. Under the Items and Inventory subtab, ensure that Inventory and Multi-Location Inventory are enabled. Let's take one item as an example. Navigate to Lists, Accounting, Items. From the list of items, we'll select an inventory item called INV USB cable 5 feet. This item has 534 units in the San Mateo location and 0 units in the New York location. The subsidiary for the San Mateo location is parent, US1, and for the New York location, it is parent, US2. To transfer between these locations, go to Transactions, Inventory, enter Intercompany Transfer Orders. In this record, select the subsidiary as parent, US1, the to subsidiary as parent, US2, the from location as San Mateo. To location as New York, add the INV USB cable 5 feet to the item sublist. Select the item and description as USB cable 5 feet. Enter a transfer quantity of 20 units and set the Incoterm, which determines when the transfer of ownership occurs for items being transferred between locations. There are two default Incoterms, example works EXW, which means inventory ownership is transferred at the shipping point and delivered at place DAP, which means ownership transfers at the destination. Here, I choose DAP, so the destination location, which is New York, assumes ownership of the goods upon receipt. Once done, save the record. In the Intercompany Transfer Order page, click Fulfill to start the item fulfillment process, check the inventory details for the quantity, and save the record. Then, click Mark Packed and Mark Shipped to complete the item fulfillment. Navigate to the transfer order in the Created From field. In the Intercompany Transfer Order, the item is in pending receipt. Click Received to acknowledge the item receipt and save the record. Click on the record for the item INV USB cable 5 feet, and in the Inventory Item Record, you will see that 20 units have been transferred from San Mateo to New York. Yes, we've successfully implemented multi-location inventory management in NetSuite. It's about transforming your operations and enhancing customer satisfaction. From real-time tracking to automated order fulfillment, ready to take your inventory management to the next level? Explore NetSuite's features and watch your business thrive. Thanks for watching.